2 weeks ago, I put a video out on how traders get this strategy so wrong. And on Friday, this strategy set up and it was an absolute fantastic trade. 1,000-point profit in the Nasdaq. Let me walk through this trade, give you a trade recap here. So 2-wave divergences, 3-wave divergences, 4-wave divergences are reversal strategies, okay? Now, per that video, I walk through exactly how to identify when a big reversal is going to come, okay? You need the components. I'll make sure I'll link the video and that mini course at the end of this video, guys, okay? So let's walk through this trade strategy. Now, the Nasdaq, okay, the daily chart, the Nasdaq, we've been trending beautifully. It's been up and up and up. Green Pro trend system all the way up. Now, look, once we break through the highs, okay, make a new high, which we did on Sunday the 24th into Monday. We broke to new highs. What we want to see there is that the indicator down below, your momentum-based indicator, our storyteller indicator here, was signaling yellow lines. Now, we want to see about 45 degrees or more on the actual indicator, okay? So, as it pushes up, breaks new highs, what we know is that the price is starting to slow. We know that we've come from a long way behind here and that we could be seeing some sort of reversal. Now, sentiment at this area here, at new highs, when there is a storyteller giving us a 2-wave divergence, the histogram here is lower than this previous peak. What we know here is sentiment is high with traders. They think the market's never going to reverse. They think that it's just going to keep on going higher. They get complacent. Volume is slowing. Momentum price is slowing. The speed of how price is moving is slowing. So there is a potential reversal. Now look, I'm using the daily time frame, weekly and monthly to spot some of these trades. But what I want to do as a day trader is go down to the smaller time frame and see what's setting up. Are the smaller time frames slowing as well? Let's take a little look. Okay, so same thing applies, okay, with Green Pro trend system all the way up here. We're ignoring the actual red to short, okay, at this time. Now, what we see on the smaller time frame, the 4-hour here, we start to see lower highs on the momentum indicator. Lower highs, 1, 2, 3. This is the peak. This is the lower one. This is the lower one. This is the lower one. But price is making a new high. So we've now got the bigger time frame signaling that around this area here. And now we're on the lookout for a breakdown in price. You don't have to trade it, but what I would say is think about not taking any more long side trades, okay? But for me, as a trader who wants to get in these trades, I want to get that dopamine fix, guys. I want to be trading this reversal. You could draw a trend line going up the lows if you want to. But we look for Pro Trend System, okay? So we look at the middle of last week, we've got the red storyteller and red Pro Trend System firing. Our targets were generated here, and we got 4-to-1 risk reward ratio hit on Friday, okay? It was a great trade to the short side. It kept dropping dramatically. So the components of a divergence setup are, it has to come from a long way away. It's never the start of a move, i.e. in that bullish direction. It's a topping pattern. If you understand topping patterns, then you can trade these or just avoid taking any more long trades. And this happens on a 5-minute chart, an hourly time frame, a weekly, or a monthly. It really doesn't matter. Topping patterns happen the same virtually all the time. And I've been trading this strategy like 20 odd years, guys, and it's the same principles that apply. Right, I'm going to link you to that other video right now somewhere on this video page, okay? Take a look at that, and also have a little look at the free mini course that's in that description as well, because it's going to really help you with your trading, especially if you feel like you're getting into trades and then getting stopped out really quickly. You might be entering when there's a divergence. Hope it helps, guys.